Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play yard dice games. These oversized dice bring classic fun to your outdoor gatherings, perfect for friends and family. You typically use 6 large dice, often made of wood or plastic, making them easy to handle and see. Find a nice, open space in your yard, and you are ready to begin your exciting game. Setting up is simple. You will need your 6-yard dice, a bucket or container for shaking, and a score pad with a pen. Select a clear, flat area, about 5 to 10 feet wide, for rolling. Each player takes a turn, rolling all 6 dice to start. The main objective is to roll specific combinations to earn points, moving closer to victory. Let's explore a popular Yahtzee-style game. On your turn, roll all 6 dice. You then have up to 2 additional re-rolls to improve your hand, making a total of 3 rolls. After each roll, you can choose which dice to keep and which to re-roll. Aim for combinations like 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, or a large straight to maximize your score. Scoring is crucial for winning. Each player uses a score sheet to record points for various combinations. A Yahtzee, which is 5 of a kind, typically earns 50 points and is a highly sought-after roll. The player who accumulates the most points by the end of the game is declared the winner. Remember, yard dice games are flexible, so feel free to adapt rules for extra fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.